understood human frailty. We are not perfect. We do not enter life perfect. We are going to make mistakes. And the question is, do we learn from those mistakes? What do we do with the lessons that duality has to teach us? Do we integrate those lessons into our life subsequently, or do we just ignore them and carry on as before?
These sites are very controversial. All of them are, because they force historians to rethink the traditional story. When we begin to look at a cyclic model of civilization rather than a linear model that says civilization began 5,000 years ago, it opens the door to explanations to many of the things that look simply mysterious to us and make no sense at all, such as the discovery of entire cities under the surface of the ocean that we find in multiple places throughout the world.
If the great ancient knowledge in the chamber below the paw of the Sphinx is inaccessible, perhaps the same knowledge may exist in a different location, or even in a different frequency.